Today we're diving into the IET lamp's genuine OEM replacement lamp designed specifically for Hitachi CP-WU8450, CP-WX8255, and CP-WX8255A projectors. What sets this lamp apart is its commitment to using original manufacturer OEM bulbs, ensuring optimal performance and longevity. The housing unit is crafted from durable materials, guaranteeing a proper fit and maintaining the projector's original quality standards. One standout feature is its longevity. IET lamps claim their product lasts 3 times longer than generic alternatives, offering better reliability and a brighter picture over its lifespan. This is crucial for users who rely on consistent projector performance without frequent lamp changes. Backed by a 1-year warranty and a 30-day money-back guarantee, the IET lamp's OEM replacement lamp instills confidence in its durability and performance. Whether you're upgrading an aging lamp or seeking a reliable replacement, this option promises to meet or exceed expectations, making it a solid investment for your projector needs.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.